This is how it happened. And today, if you have watched my former video on standard normal distribution and the test, the chi-square, the t-test, this is just a continuation of how to use the table. So we talked about how to use the standard normal table, and this is a sample of the standard normal table. When you have maybe you have to check a standard normal table for z under 1.25. So you see on this side here, we have the z values ranging from 0.0 down to 3.4. Because the z distribution is very wide stuff, so they always do it most likely in section. So you have to look for 1.25. All you need to do is just come to this side, look for 1.2. When you find 1.2, you come to the top side here, you complete the remaining 0.05. So where you have 1.2 intersecting with the 0.05, that is where you pick. So that would be 0.3944. So let's say you have to look for 2.12. So you check 2.1 here, then you add the 2 on this side, that will be 0.4830. so that's how to just simply check the z table. For the student t-test, don't forget, for student t-test there is always need to do something we call degree of freedom. You remember from the slide that we did degree of freedom, and that degree of freedom is simply calculated by saying n minus 1. So let's say we want to do this question that we have here now. To do this question, we are going to be our degree of freedom for this question. Since we have 9 rows, that will be 8. So we're going to, and we have to look for the t-value of minus 1.5. So we'll come to the table and we check. In this case, our significant level for this question is what we are going to use, which is 0.05, which is 5%. So you come here and check, this is it, 0.05, and you're going to check under it. So you see this is 2.306. so if it is two tail, if it's one tail, you check under it, and the same thing you're going to see 1.860. so that is for t tail. That was how we have minus 1.860 here. So for chi-square, there you have your degree of freedom and also your significant level. So don't forget, the chi-square and t-square and t are almost the same in terms of significant level. So you see, degree of freedom in this case is n minus 1. So you come back to your table. Let's say you want to look for the same thing. Your n minus 1 will be 8. Then if it is 0.5 significant level, you will check it, that's 15.507. That's how to check the chi-square. So you use your degree of freedom and the significant level. In this case, the final one, we have the F test. I told you that F test is largely, it has 2 degrees of freedom. So look at it now. The 4th degree of freedom is n minus 1 for the first sample, and second degree of freedom is n2 minus 1 second sample. So let's say we have 10 observations for both. So that means it will be 9. So this is 9 on the right, 9 on the left. So we're going to be saying 2.44. So that is just how to use the table when you are doing your distribution test. Thank you.